So we are basically solving the same question, but this is now we are going to prepare the income account for O-level accounting 7707 and 0452. October, November 21-23. On 1st October, Karishma decided to rent out part of her premises to Noor at an annual rent of 1965. Always remember that annual rent means that the whole amount of rent income is 1965, or the income statement figure is 1965, or the profit and loss account figure is 1965, or the income for the year. The current year income is 1965 because that is the annual income. During the financial year, Noor made the following payments to Karishma by check. We have received these amounts on these dates. The amount received on 8th August included rent of 510 covering the period from 1st October to 31st December. Again, we know that our financial year will end on 30th September, right? Because it starts from 1st October and it will end on 30th September 2021. But on 1st October 2021, 510 of the amount was included in this 850, which is wrong because that does not comes in our month, neither October, nor November, nor December. So the whole 510 is going to be prepaid. So that will not be part of our, that is the prepaid, or this is the income received in advance. So we have to write it like this: 8th August 2021. That will be treated as income received in advance, right? So we are going to rent out part of our, अच्छा हमने दिया ही अभी इसलिए brought down नहीं है हमारा. So let's prepare the rent income account. I'll prepare here. The rent income account, if you just see the income account, will write accrued brought down here, which is not in the question. Accrued carried down here, which is again not in the question. In advance brought down here. Just like subscription account, it is not given, might not be given. Advance carried down here. This is also, I think, not given. Then the bank figure will come over here. The amount received as subscription. Let's see. The 510, the whole amount of 510 is basically the in advance carried down, because this payment includes in 850, but it is not related to the current year. It is the income received in advance. It is the income, it relates to the next year. It does not belong to the current year. Why, sir? हमारा साल शुरू होता है अक्टूबर 20 को और खत्म होता है सितंबर 20 को. ये हमने किया 1 सितंबर 21 को. ये हमने किया अक्टूबर 21 में फर्स्ट को. That does not belongs to our 12-month period. So the whole amount is basically in advance carried down. That is the income received in advance. And you will add all these amounts, 800 plus 825 plus 850. How much it will become? 2475. That is the, I can write here, 2475. You can write separately also, because it is received in different months: October 800, March, and then 8th August 850. And the income statement figure we have been given, that is 1965. That is given. That is the profit and loss account figure. That is given. We could have calculated that also. That is 1965. And through this, we can find the accrued carried down if it is given. But I don't think so. I think that both the sides are equal. So that's it. If you check it out, I think that both sides are equal. I'm right? Am I? That will be 2475, and that will also be 2475. If there would have been a difference, I could have written it on the credit side accrued carried down. अगर difference credit side पे होता तो, but there is no difference, so the both amounts are going to be the same. No in advance brought down and no accrued brought down and carried down. Okay. So that's it. I prepared the income account also, which is the rent receivable account. Identify the section of the statement of financial position at 30th September in which the balance on the rent receivable account would appear. Very nice question. So this will come over here. In advance brought down, and this is a liability. It will come in the statement of financial position as current liability. Why? Because this is the income received in advance. Okay. One number is this for this. We have already done this question. I have already solved this question in front of you, which comes in May, June 21-22. in detail. We have solved this question, May, June 21 and 22. Then you can do this question at home. October, November 2023. You can do it at home. October, November 2023, and that's it. So we have gone for a topic of basically October, November 2023. Do solve this question. October, November 2023. It has come in which year? May, June 21, 22. If I'm not wrong, let me check. I don't think so. No. This question has come in October, November 2023. Question number is not there because maybe it is a part of the question. Okay then. Thank you very much. Take care and hafiz.